Hello everybody. In the previous video, we have discussed about the BPSK generator circuit. Now we consider the BPSK receiver. Transmitter ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ receiver ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. In the BASK and BFSK, we have two types of receivers. One is coherent and another one is non-coherent. But in BPSK, it is not possible to use the non-coherent because here we need the phase shift. To have that phase shift, we need correlator circuit, product modulator and integrator circuit. But in envelope detector, it is not possible to have that exact phase relationship because in that we use the rectifier circuit and low pass filter circuit. So in BPSK, we can use only coherent receiver circuit. Okay. In this, we have filter to limit the noise power. You already know that this part of the circuit, this filter circuit, white Gaussian noise, these are common for the ASK and FSK circuit also. Next, unwanted this white Gaussian noise is blocked by this filter. Only the required signal is passed by the filter circuit. Then it goes to the product modulator circuit. In the product modulator, we use another input as a local oscillator. Here, what oscillators are used in the receiver side to generate the exact replica of the carrier frequency. That oscillator is called as a local oscillator. That local oscillator frequency should be same as that of the carrier frequency. That frequency is A sin 2 pi FCT. Here, this product modulator compares with the received signal. If the received signal and the local oscillator frequencies are matched together, then output of this correlator circuit, what output of the this product modulator output is integrated by the integrator, and that integrator output is indicated by X, that is correlator output is indicated by X, correct? Here the output X becomes positive when the local oscillator signal is exactly matched with the filter output. Both the signals are matched together, then the signal becomes positive, that X becomes positive. If the local oscillator signal is 180 degree out of phase with respect to this received signal, because here this frequency is A sin 2 pi FCT. If the binary data is 0, then we have this signal is equal to minus A sin 2 pi FCT. We have 180 degree phase difference between these two. Then this correlator output becomes negative. Both the signals are matched together, then output of the correlator becomes positive. Otherwise, the correlator output becomes negative. The output of the correlator is compared with the threshold bit 0. If X is greater than 0, then it indicates it's a binary 1. Binary bit becomes 1. If X is less than 0, then the output of the threshold device becomes binary 0. Like this receiver circuit produces a binary sequence of 1 and 0 depends upon the received data. If the received data is 1, then the product modulator signal becomes positive. It is nothing but the output of the filter circuit and the local oscillator signals are matched together. Output X becomes positive. If the binary data is 0, Then filter output is 180-degree out of phase with respect to local oscillator. Due to that, the output X, correlator output X, becomes negative, and this X is compares with the threshold bit 0. If X is greater than 0, it is nothing but the binary data is 1. If X is less than 0, then binary data is 0. If X is exactly is equal to 0, in that it gets the random output that may be 0 or 1. The output of the threshold device becomes 0, 1, 0 or 1, this condition. If X is greater than 0, the receiver decides in favor of binary 1, and on the other hand, if X is less than 0, it decides in the favor of binary 0. If X is exactly is equal to 0, then receiver makes a random guess. There is no particular value of 0 or 1. It's a random guess in favor of binary 1 or 0. Like this coherent BPSK receiver generates the binary sequence. In this BPSK, there is no non-coherent circuit. Next, we consider the merits. Here, errors are less as compared to ASK. In the BPSK, the errors are less and more efficient use of bandwidth is possible. Here, the bandwidth efficiency or usefulness of the bandwidth is more efficient, and the error present in the output is less compared to ASK circuit. These are the merits of this BPSK. And demerits, signal detection or recovery is more complex. The circuit used for the reception is more complex. Next, we consider the applications. BPSK is used in high-speed modem circuits. This indicates the BPSK circuit. Next, we go for the differential phase shift keying. I will explain that in the next video. Okay, thank you.